Morning, guys. We've been in the adjuster. We're gonna look at this property. It has the three tap shingle. Of course, it's gonna be upgraded to the laminate 30-year with a lifetime warranty on it. So as you can tell, we already marked down all the damage from the hail. For this type of shingle, we only need 6. So that's why the adjuster we already marked down for 6. This is the marks that the adjuster does. So if you notice, he only marked 6 in the front, or 6 in every single slope. You don't need more than. You need more, of course, but 6 will be enough for him to approve it for this type of roof, for this type of shingle. Just wanted to let you know. Just back. And of course, pretty evidence. If you come over here, you will see this metal roof, the outing. You can tell all the hits right there. So I hope you can have a better view from this angle. There you go. See that? All the flashing. And of course, you can tell in this carport backyard, you can see it. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to show you. Thank you very much for staying tuned. If you need a new roof inspection, you know where to get us. 214-564-4355. Check this out. 214-564-4355. New Elite Roof and Gutters.